Yamaba Kwaba Ediba done in Eastern Premier League show so and then a UEFA Champions League match were one of 16 no after draw no and then Yebuano and the Dortmund, Borussia Dortmund and then PSG and or the best so it was Signal Iduna Park. Signal Iduna it was Dortmund so na sa match yi e match ya hwe ya betima ye goals garo na mbom no ye be so betimi amma wo enoma ba ko menu bia e kire se match no aside say two teams no e potent and as a clinical in terms of upfront and in terms of attack no ba ko enso echi eye ese ne ba ko e be kire say ti a PSG said goals do do a obetimi say Dortmund ebetimi ahye ne 13 April ebetimi ahye 14 e be kire ne enti a say nam goals bia Dortmund e be hye no PSG e be hye goals no abo ya draw so a enye ye wanwa because two teams no betimi fix it and I say I deploy tactics on any day ebetimi abo mo e wo so akwan no so uko Dortmund na omu coach Logan Fabric and PSG a coach Thomas Tuchel and I said well match no match in tactical aspect no and I say in tactical ways no and I say in tactical you bet me I can say creative spark and now say shooting efficiency two teams no nyina creative spark no potent na emom no bakon creative spark no edge over bakon PSG's creative spark no edge over Borussia Dortmund shooting coefficient no arguably PSG shooting coefficient no the best because omo one player ne shooting rate and I said shooting coefficient no was in the last 3 or 4 Champions League seasons ayenya world football and as a UEFA Champions League competitions in the image of Mauro Icardi and say PSG deploy creative spark now omo ebe call for 4-3-3 with Cavani and omo deploy shooting efficiency now omo be call for Mauro Icardi ebe 4-3-2-1 and say with Edison Cavani no PSG ebo etire enan mfifi miensa na animu nso miensa na mom no so omo bo enye Cavani na Mauro Icardi which me person me kira osent no PSG two potent strikers on any day o metima di unya abako and then ewo me bench na bako ebo Mauro Icardi ebo and likely say with 4-3-2-1 formation no betima impossible Thomas Tuchel ebe Mauro Icardi ahead of Edison Cavani say shooting coefficient na oko for shooting efficient na Thomas Tuchel eko for and I say training feedback or person boys na the manner and the obeko for abrante Mauro Icardi na wetimi abon ho body etumi accomplish the last 16 24 31 record okra in terms of Champions League shooting rate accuracy and as a shooting rate coefficient or no ekura ema no ho as a player and Mauro Icardi I try say in the last 2 or 3 seasons or Champions League 2.8 shooting per goal 2.8 ratio shooting per goal and you know ebetimi and do 3 and I try say or shoot 3 times obetimi ashe goal e wo hono near Mauro Icardi biter or they add to PSG team no train no ebeye Edison Cavani Neymar and Mbappe and now say Mauro Icardi Neymar and Mbappe which train no omunya jitu mu say Neymar the boss e wo hono oko Borussia Dortmund enso call for 4-3-3 but Neymar me person metu Borussia Dortmund coach no for Fabri for say obeko for 3-5-2 no obenya Haran ene Brian ewo enim ho na ebia wenya abrante Jadon Sancho as a whistle ene the legs enso ewo 51 na wabono echire na emom no ende Borussia Dortmund echire ho no enwunu omuni leader omuni obi a obe commande echire amom tsesania PSG abrantie Brazil the Brazilian Thiago Silva commande ewo ho ena PSG enso ewo one materiality and also one material fantastic and then add value to omo midfield team no as a whole one player but to make take it deep back or to make take it deep mfimfin or to make take it deep attack eti se PSG ebe hu ne trequartista Italian word trequartista the three factors are omode be bo game no trequartista no abrante Marco Verratti ono Italian nia otisa trequartista no ase Italy tactics and say Italy katana show game ni mu or the price trequartista no sa game PSG in terms of any opposition as opponent omoni ni Asia na abrante dig deep chire or dig deep or midfield and or dig deep attack try say organic defense when the opponent is attacking PSG organic midfield when PSG is holding the ball and then the opponent maybe receive the ball and then ebia or distribute abrante Marco Verratti no effective in terms of midfield action so oko attack one so Mbappe any Neymar any Cavani anase Mauro Icardi resolute potent omo clinical in terms of attack nemom no omo clinical ni nyina chi anase omo clinicality eni nyina chi potent omo ye nyina chi how powerful omo ye nyina chi nim no Marco Verratti etimi dwane omo a otimi add bite etu animu a omo betimi the ball ato atana anase omo betimi di unya sa fantasy ana eboa PSG going into game no nemom no Borussia Dortmund and then Jadon Sancho and so Abrante Bia Oko game with highly boosted facts. Chese and there over 13 goals, 13 assists. And to Ononkwa etimi abua Borussia Dortmund 26 goals. What me abua more every in time aba. It is a this bite. Our team ne striker Haaland. Etimi share for fun or share goals for fun now. A chira will say game yi the two teams in airborne omo ebetimi adi omo menu enya se omo anhwe yi a me advice PSG team no say omo watchful defense omo very tactical defense omo ebe initiate and I say omo emulate the training feedback Thomas Tuchel ene be mo chire because yen konko hye na momu no yen hwe yachi ma yen mbue yachi yen ma yen mbue yeto sa yen ko game ni mu a yanimu ebeye yen memasem ebeye din wanim enso yeni ebeda ho achire enti game yi mu no ebetuma two teams to score PSG to win and now say more goals ebekọ game yi mu aha ana brebe ma yakwan na ye de show no SC Adonko Premier League enso aboye Abrante Don Sama eda wo mano Adonko Bites Adonko 1 2 3 Adonko Ataju Bites Adonko next level Dr. Grace Bodu Grace Gift enso Dubaiko a waso yase na ye di show yi ebro ewo great one barbering shopper ewo ejeso opposite ejeso police station krapa sampotem hono great one ewo hono ma ye di show yi ebro and then awie ewo sa ekwan the show odofo nya ye hwehwe firi wonche ne say obe subscribe obe mia the press the bell button na watimi aboa yen abrebia ye di show no ebeto no obenya signal share na woyonko ne odofo no so ye football fan ebetumenya bi ahwe ewo sakwa no so peace shalom.